comrade 7th Neptune. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, which is observed on 26th of November every year. On this day in 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly and it came into effect on 26th of November 1950, making India a sovereign, democratic and republic. Our Constitution is the supreme law of land. The father of the Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and many great leaders worked day and night to draft Indian Constitution.
The people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hands down.
Every year 26 November we celebrate as a Constitutional Day. On which day we adopted this Constitution? Yeah, from which day, from which year we are adopting this Constitution? So you know the Constitution of India, this is our book. So in that book some fundamental rights and duties are mentioned. So few of the which basic, fundamental is basic. How our duties are there, same way our rights also mentioned there. So fundamental rights and duties are essential components of the Indian Constitution, ensuring individual freedoms while promoting civic responsibility among citizens. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights guaranteed to all citizens of India. Enshrined in Part 3 of Constitution, these rights are crucial for development of individual personality and dignity.
So भारताचे संविधान उद्देशिका. आम्ही भारताचे लोक, भारताचे एक सार्वभौम, समाजवादी, धर्मनिरपेक्ष, लोकशाही गणराज्य घडविण्याचा व त्याच्या सर्व नागरिकांस सामाजिक, आर्थिक व राजनैतिक न्याय, विचार, अभिव्यक्ती, विश्वास, श्रद्धा व उपासना यांचे स्वातंत्र्य, दर्जाची व संधीची समानता निश्चितपणे प्राप्त करून देण्याचा आणि त्या सर्वांमध्ये व्यक्तीची प्रतिष्ठा व राष्ट्राची एकता आणि एकात्मता यांचे आश्वासन देण्याची बंधुता प्रवर्धित करण्याचा संकल्पपूर्वक निर्धार करून आमच्या संविधान सभेत आज दिनांक 26 नोव्हेंबर 1949 रोजी याद्वारे हे संविधान अंगीकृत आणि अधिनियमित करून स्वतः प्रत अर्पण करीत आहोत. थँक्यू.